Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be hitting the sandbar over there. Pretty sure you can see that. There's a computer chair down there. There's a swan there. But we're going to be hitting the sandbar over there, and we're going to be using the 2-inch Z-Man grub bloodworm with a 1/16 jig head. So we'll go hit that now. Righto, so I'll quickly have a flick here in this little current and see if there's a salmon sitting here. Oh, there's little salmon here. There's a little salmon here. Yep, go on. It's only a tiny one. First fish of the day, and it's a tiny little salmon. Oh, come here, mate. Where's he going? Little salmon, straight back out there. Yep. Oh. Yep. Go on. Second one of the day. He's another tiny one. Anyway, there he is. Off he goes. What do you reckon? Catch a third one? I'm saying we could. Yep, got him. Straight away. Another little tiny one. Literally, as soon as he hit that water. Anyway, there he is. Off he goes. Try and fix this camera up a bit. There we go. That should be better. Oh. Another hit. Yep, got him. Another one, number 4. This one feels a bit better. This one is a bit better. Biggest salmon of the day, but still a tiny one. There he is. Oh, there he is, and another tiny one. Off he goes. Well, the bloodworm grub's doing alright at the moment. That's my first time using it in over a year. And we're on again. This one's only a tiny one. But another salmon. Bloodworm grub is doing the damage. This is crazy. Off he goes. Get it straight back out there. I think that was fish number 6. Yep, got it, another one. Oh, he got off that one. Fish number 7 got off. Oh well. Quickly fix this grub up. We'll get him straight back out there. That might be the skull. Righto, so we just managed 6 salmon out. That one there could have been 7, and we'll try this one. This one here doesn't have, oh, it has about the same, oh, a bit less current. And there's a whole skull. There's a whole skull down there. I've seen about 15 of them. Straight away. Another salmon. There's a swarm of them down there. Off he goes. Yep. Oh my god, we're gonna get hit. Yep. Oh, I dropped him. Still haven't got him that one. We just got absolutely attacked. Can't believe this start. Just what, like 8 fish? 8 fish, we've only been here for 10 minutes. There he is. Off he goes. Alright, we'll cast it back out there. Yep, got him. Oh, he got off that time. The footy's pretty good. Yep, got him. This one's flying a little bit better. Still a tiny one though. Another salmon in. I cannot believe this start. And we haven't even hit the sandbar yet for silvers. There he is. Hey, another tiny one. Off he goes. I think that was fish number 10. I'm lost now. I'll just do a straight retrieve. Yep, got him. This one's only tiny. He's just coming straight in. There's that one. He just spat whitebait out. Off he goes. Yeah, there's still more on it. Yep, got him. Another little salmon. He'll just flop off, I reckon. Oh yes, there we go. Oh, that was a big one. And we dropped him. Oh, yes, got him. Big one. No, no. That was a monster. That hurts real bad. Yes, come on. Yeah, got him. Finally. Only a small one though. There's our first silver of the day, and it's a tiny one. There's the silver, only a tiny fella. Off he goes. Oh, I'm still spewing about that big silver. Righto, switching back up to the grub. As you can see, I think it's focused. We're going to smash this with a bit of S factor to attract the fish, and hopefully the silvers take that. So there we go. First cast in the new on the grub, and we got a silver. I didn't get the cast on film. Wait, did I? No, I didn't get the cast on film, but as soon as I casted, I recorded a hook run. Oh. Yeah, there we go. There's a silver. There's our third silver. That one's a bit better in size. Hooked right in the top corner of the mouth. Perfect. I mean, he's only a smaller one, but he's bigger, the biggest one. There we go. Another little silver. That is fish number 16, I think. 16? Yeah, 16 I reckon. And then that's our fourth silver. 4 silvers, 12 salmon. Off he goes. So it's been a while since I've caught a fish, and I've just caught this little silver, and I've just foul hooked him. Foul hooked him with the plucky. That is fish number 17, and that is silver number 5. He's only a tiny little fella. That's probably one of the tiniest silvers I've ever caught. So we'll get that lucky bugger back. Guys, so I've just hooked up. I'm underneath where I was casting before, and I've just caught another salmon. So that is salmon number 13, and we've caught 5 silvers, so 18 fish all up. And we'll get a look at the salmon. There he is. Only another small one. We're going straight back out there. See if there's another one. Another one. Salmon number 14. Off he goes. Got him. Spotted him down there and hooked him as soon as I turned the camera on. And that's the biggest silver of the day. Yes. Pinned perfectly in the corner of the mouth. That's probably the biggest fish of the day, biggest silver of the day. And right here at the boat ramp, and that is silver number 6. And we've caught 14 salmon, I reckon, so that's fish number 20. Now hopefully he swims off. Let me get him down there. Off he goes, straight back down to the bottom. Righto, so the fishing's been absolutely crazy. Don't mind Joshua Shelley right there, if you can see that. We've caught 20 fish, so I'll quickly check on fishing points and see what the fish activity is doing. 27. So it's pretty low, and we've still managed to catch 20 fish. So for a low fish activity level, we're doing pretty bloody good. So we'll continue to fish. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. It was a good day. We caught 20 fish, 14 salmon, 6 silvers. I'm pretty sure that's what we caught. Especially for a low fish activity, it was pretty good. But right now, just cleaned everything up down there. And just remember, road to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. But anyway, hope you liked it. Subscribe. I'll see you next time.